Here with Georgia State head coach Greg Frady on the team's annual Scout Day. Coach Frady, great crowd out here today. Talk about what this means to the program.
Well, it means a lot to the program. We had 40 some odd scouts out here today, getting a first-hand look at the talent that we have and the hard work that the players have put into it. And we've got a lot of guys that really showcase their skills very well today. It means a lot to our program because we want our players to have an opportunity to play professional baseball and continue their career.
Talk about what your squad has kind of accomplished this fall as you wrap it up.
Well, I thought we really grew as a team. You know, every year it's a brand new startup situation with a new team, and even though you have a lot of players returning, there's always a lot of new incoming guys. And I think the thing we grew the most in is that we really shored up two areas. Our pitching was really outstanding this fall, and our defense was really good this fall. I think when we got the right situation going and we've had an opportunity to really work on some things, we're going to put a strong defensive team on the field. And I think that we also found out there's some young guys that are coming on as hitters as well.
The official team practice is wrapping up. What happens for your team between now and February when the season starts?
Well, we moved back into a 4-on-1 situation and a strength and conditioning situation. For us, right now, we're going to give our pitchers some time off from having thrown a lot this fall. Our focus will be now in the weight room, and we'll do some conditioning around the weight room. But baseball, for the most part, is really over until January. All the guys will have a winter program that they need to do, and the hitters will go home and hit and get ready. But really, next stop is about the middle of January, and then from there, about the middle of February, and then we'll do it for real.
Thank you.